What is insurance? Cat is perfect creature. Cat has 9 lives. But world is dangerous place. Evil vacuum cleaner. Unexpected cucumber. The neighbor's dog. When cat lose one of 9 lives, cat must go to the vet. Vet is cold place. Vet poke cat. But worse. Vet cost many treats. If human servant has no treats to pay vet, cat is in trouble. Cat need way to protect remaining lives without losing all treats. Enter the insurance cat. Usually a fat cat. Fat cat make deal with neighborhood cats. Every month you give fat cat 1 treat. This is called a premium. You pay premium even if you are healthy. Even if you sleep 20 hours. Why pay for nothing? Because if you fall off fridge while hunting fly, fat cat pays the vet bill. You keep your treats. You keep your life. This is called risk pooling. Many cats pay. Only clumsy cats get paid out. But wait, fat cat is not charity. Fat cat likes profit. If you go to vet for small scratch, fat cats say no. You must pay the first 100 treats of any bill. This is called a deductible. It stops cat from going to hospital every time they break a nail. High deductible means lower monthly premium. Low deductible means you pay fat cat more every month. How fat cat decide price? Fat cat uses math. Indoor cat sit on pillow. Watch bird through window. Safe. Indoor cat pay low premium. Outdoor cat fight raccoon. Cross street. Eat strange bug. Outdoor cat is high risk. Outdoor cat pay double. If you are old cat, you pay more. If you are orange cat, well, you pay more because orange. Is insurance scam? Sometimes feels like it. You pay treats for years. Then you get sick. You ask fat cat for help. Fat cat opens big book of rules. Sorry, say fat cat. This is pre-existing condition. You were already sneezing before you paid me. Claim denied. Fat cat keeps treats. You hiss at fat cat. Economists call this moral hazard. When cat no insurance will pay, cat takes stupid risks. Cat jump from higher shelf. Cat taunt bigger dog. So, should you buy insurance? It is a bet. You are betting you will get hurt. Fat cat is betting you will stay safe. In the end, fat cat usually builds bigger house, but insurance can save cat from real trouble. Like and subscribe. Or, I will knock this glass of water off the table. Too late.